Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So gold is actually closed today because all commodities are closed for the bank holiday, Good Friday, but I figured I'd do a video anyway since I did make a video for the other US dollar pairs. I still think that this is a 1, a 2, and I still think we're in a wave 3, and I still believe this wave 3 is going to go at least to the 161% Fibonacci extension, which you have to actually squish this chart down quite a bit to even see where my target is, which is all the way up there about the 2550 area to finish off a wave 3, eventually make a wave 4, and eventually make a wave 5. Now this is the monthly, so that's going to take a very, very long time to play out, but I do think that is what we're looking at. Going down to the weekly, this is where you can see what I think is a 1, what I think is a 2, and we are in a wave 3. I think we're actually in a subdivision of 3 also, so this is a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and a 3 of 3. So if we're in a wave 3 of 3 like I believe we are, then we have a lots and lots and lots of upside potential. Going down to the daily, I left this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here because I think this is an important lesson. This is a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and a 3 of 3. Wave 3s are supposed to be the biggest, strongest waves of a trend, so when you have a wave 3 of wave 3, that's probably even extra strong. This looked like a perfect 5-wave trend, which would make you think that it would go down, make a crescent, take out the low of wave 4. But in reality, what happened is it just continued to make higher highs, higher lows, because the higher time frames, weekly and monthly, are in a wave 3 of 3, which is a very, very strong trend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, we did break all-time highs again on gold, as you can see. I mean, we are in all-time highs. My target is the $2,500 area plus, so I would definitely be looking for longs at the end of pullbacks, still on the shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I actually warned people about this all week long. I said that this looks like a downtrend, looks like it should be a wave A. This looked like it should be a wave B, and I've been saying all week long that it looks like it should go down for a wave C, take out the low of wave 4 to make a proper looking correction. But all week long I've been warning people that this is most likely a wave 3 of 3 on the higher time frames, and when you are in a strong trend like that, sometimes you don't get a proper correction, but instead it just continues to make higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and just keeps on trending up, which is exactly what happens in a wave 3, especially a wave 3 of 3, which is an extra strong trend. So what am I doing right now? I am definitely not trying to go short, but instead I would be patiently waiting for pullbacks to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thank you and happy trading.